Good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, it is me, the Wingman, here to bring you the sauce. Just know that by me being the Wingman, I'm going to be changed on my channel. So sometimes you may see me eating some chicken wings or some tacos because, hey, the reason why I'm called the Wingman is one, is to help you along the way to financial freedom. So I'm be your wingman, but also I have a reputation of loving wings and tacos. And so you may occasionally see me bring the sauce because I'm coming with you and bringing that sauce to you and my investing community every step along the way. My channel is about financial planning, money management, and me delivering that sauce. But just know, just because I'm bringing you that sauce and delicious content on how to invest, how to leverage stocks and make money in the stock market, don't mean that you gotta wing it. Never wing it, but also follow me and I'll be your wingman. So into today's video, what we're gonna talk about the dividend increases uh, that occurred for the month of April, and also what we're going to also talk about is just subtle changes along the way. It's going to be a small video, won't be too lengthy. So what you're going to see is that uh, basically in a lot of my videos, I talk about my dividend investing portfolios, different dividend investing updates. So for this dividend investing uh, portfolio update, you're going to see that. So I made a couple changes along the way. I sold ABR, the financial REIT, and I bought some Mo. I bought some Enbridge, and then I took advantage and bought some AbbVie because I saw that AbbVie was down a day or two ago, and then so this is my main dividend investment portfolio, but I also have many other portfolios also as well that pays me dividends and a mixture of growth and dividend growth. So here's my Roth IRA. I typically focus on growth with a hint of dividend growth investing, and in my Roth IRA, I had also ABR. I was making like roughly $150 on an annualized basis, and I sold because ABR was doing really bad. So in this place, I decided to buy Target and also decided to buy more uh, Ameriprise and monolithic power. Keep in mind, uh, AMP and Ameriprise because we're gonna talk about that in a couple minutes. And so also my last portfolio, which is my rollover IRA. So whenever I receive any type of 401ks from different jobs, I will build those 401ks up, and then I will transfer those 401ks into my IRA, my personal IRA, and so that I'm able to invest into stocks that I particularly want to invest into. So my main holding is VTI, and so typically in the investing community, uh, tip, uh, people typically have like one potential holding where they have majority of their money. For me, I would say it's more 60% of my investments, and then the other particular stocks or ETFs, whatnot, is considered like the satellite stocks. So for me, I like to invest into single stocks. It's high risk, high reward. So VTI is more so is to stabilize my portfolio with just investing into the whole entire market, and then I have investments that high conviction that I believe in, like Texas Roadhouse, Centos, CDW, again monolithic power systems, which is a semiconductor stock, waste management. That's going to always do good in a bull market or a bear market. And then also you see I have Tesla. Uh, now, in my previous video, I talked about the dividend income that I was paid in the month of April. So as you'll see, but in the end of the video, I talked about Mo and American Tower. So I forgot that I was going to be paid out two more times, and so I was paid $56.84 of Mo on April 28th, and I also was paid out $3.33 for American Tower. So with those two dividend payouts, it put me over. I want to say around $100 or so dollars, $125 in dividend income for the month of April. Not too shabby. So trust me, I go over videos how to create a dividend stock portfolios, how to make money in the stock market with just dividends, because I love dividends because it increases, and I love that passive income. Love the passive income. So next, we're going to talk about the dividend increases for the month of April. So as you see, uh, if you haven't been hiding underneath a rock, you will know that the uh, stock market has been down lately, and well, it's up now. You see, we're in the green, but the stock market has been up lately. The Fed has been increasing the rates, and so I like to utilize simply save dividends, because simply save dividends gives you a dividend safety score. It gives you many different avenues for you to do research on your particular stocks to make sure that the stocks or that particular company is healthy enough. So, like for example, T. Rowe Price. I'm keeping an eye on T. Rowe Price. I have a big holding in T. Rowe Price, but because of the bad markets, because of the bear markets of whatnot, T. Rowe Price has really has been doing too hot this year, and it didn't really do so hot in 2022. So I like to use uh, simply save dividends to do the necessary research, and then also seeking alpha to do the necessary research on particular stocks to see the dividend increases. If a company is doing bad, if I need to sell, or if I need to stay the course. And so as you see right here, uh, for my dividend portfolio, I tend to go through this in terms of dividend increases once per month. And so as you see the different stocks that I have in all my portfolios, it shows when certain stocks are being paid out. Looks like for Centos, uh, it's going to pay its next dividend in June, and it looks like the next dividend around September. That's when it's going to have its dividend increase. But right now we're focusing on only on April, and so it looks like uh, the first dividend increase in my dividend portfolio was Ameriprise. I told you when showed you guys in my Fidelity that keep in mind of that name, Ameriprise, AMP. And so the reason why Ameriprise is a spinoff of American Express. They deal with like financial markets, retirement, just financial planning, money management. All about what my channel is about. This spinoff of American Express, Ameriprise, deal a lot with all that. So it will help individuals on just retirement taxes, how to plan for retirement, how to uh, how to manage your wealth, how to in regards to they have a whole financial advisors to be able to manage your wealth, and so that's why I like Ameriprise and like Byberg Insurance and like different companies, like for example Merrill Lynch advisors whatnot. Where for me, as I begin to build my wealth in my house, my equity in my house, my different dividend portfolios, my business with on YouTube as a content creator, as my wealth begin to increase and begin to go up, then I'll also for me be able to consider a financial planner, a financial advisor to help manage the wealth. I know how to make money in the stock market and invest my money, but it helps to also have some type of advisor for regards taxes, because I'm trying to be, make as much money, but also try to leverage to pay, not low taxes, but manageable taxes where I'm not being uh, just taken advantage of by the IRS, right? And so my first stock that have increased its dividend increase for April was Ameriprise for 8%. So it has been increasing its dividend for the past 18 years, and the last payout was a dollar and 25 cent per share. Now it's paying $1.35 per share, and my overall annual income increased by $1.05. So I didn't have to do anything for that pay increase, and I love it. And my second pay increase in my dividend portfolio is Parker Hannifin. It's Parker Hannifin is in the industrial space in the SP 500 and in the United States, and they are the leader in motion and control technologies, and this is a dividend king. Parker Hannifin, it's not a dividend aristocrat, it's not a dividend achiever. Parker Hannifin is a dividend king, and which means that you can trust it. It's very reliable. It's been increasing their dividend for the past 50 years, 50 plus years. And as right here, it has recorded a 67th straight annual increase. That's huge. So you have to be a dividend king. You have to increase your dividend for at least 50 years. And this has done 67 years. So 17 years over the qualification of being a dividend king. I love it. So beforehand, it was paying $1.33 per share. Now it has increased to $1.48 per share, which is nice. And so this is why I love investing into stocks, into the stock market, because it provides a consistent cash flow, and then you take the dividend and you reinvest back into the stock to receive those partial shares, and then the main shares and the partial shares, when you get receive a dividend increase, those shares begin to increase and pay out more money. And then also the third lever of just passive income is that when you make money either through your job, Ubering, doing Grubhub, or even just receiving bonuses or just side business, you take your money to buy even more stocks, and then guess what? You be able to increase that dividend snowball effect even quicker. This is why I love passive income, and this is why I love stocks. But most importantly, dividend growth stocks. I love it because it's from to me outside of my YouTube channel making content. It's the best way to make have passive income, and it's the best way to just love to see those paychecks coming in on a day-to-day basis, every month, every quarter, and then sometimes some stocks pay annually. So overall, just for April, only two stocks that increases dividend was Ameriprise and Parker Hannifin. But I'm saying that because but I appreciate even those two increasing its dividend by 11% and respectively 8%. Most people don't even receive those as high as just a pay raise. So I appreciate you guys. I appreciate Parker Hannifin, and I appreciate Ameriprise increasing their dividend. And so, lastly, here is just my overall dividend portfolio. I'll be able to go more into detail, but I have rolled over my 401k from my job, and from there, uh, in my rollover IRA, it increased about $7,000, and so also my annual income increased of roughly $150 because originally my annual income just for my traditional IRA was only 200. Now it's at 354, which puts me at my overall dividend income for all of my portfolios is drum roll, please. Oh, there it is. Let me scroll down. $2,000 and 2025 has a dividend yield of 2.88% with a yield on cost at 3.01%. And so, yes, so that's all. So that is all about dividend increases and changes for the month of April. I'm going to be making another video of my dividend income that I'm going to be making in May. Any changes or that I bought or sold in May, and I'm also going to be making some videos on just how to make my next video. Sorry, how to make $350 per month in the stock market, just leveraging two different stocks and then showing you how you get there. And so make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, comment in any questions to my video, and then also make sure you watch my video from front to end, and hopefully you become a, a subscriber. And just know that I'm delivering that sauce because I'm that wingman, and hopefully you enjoy this lovely content. All right, you guys enjoy your day. Peace.